Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we are doing a mystery bag unbagging. This is from Copacetic Cosmetics. And yeah, if you like eyeshadow, this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. It's totally free to do so. I upload twice a week and I would love to have you back again on the channel in the future. All right, so I got this bundle. This was a Memorial Day mystery grab bag is what Copacetic Cosmetics called this. I've ordered from them several times and I've gotten some highlighters and eyeshadows, but that's really all I've explored from the brand so far. Let me know in the comments if you tried other things and you enjoy them. But this was $25 on sale to get at least $45 worth of products. And I believe I used an affiliate code on top of that and got even more money off of that. So it seemed like a deal to me. And you could choose to get different types like makeup only, nail polish only. I chose the eyeshadow only bag, which means I will either have singles or palettes in this bag. And there is supposed to be an exclusive Memorial Day eyeshadow. So I have here in front of me this really big empty palette. Oh, I think it looks so good. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. This is from Baby Bat Beauty. It's just a big magnetic empty palette. Let's give it a true moment. Like, it's cute, right? It's like a little starry bat, but with two heads. So I have that mostly empty. I have some Touch of Glam singles and a couple highlighters from Bitter Lace Beauty in here, but that's it. It's almost completely empty. So as I'm opening this, I'm gonna pop them, if there's any singles, into this. Because I know in the past, when I show you guys mystery bags, I usually just show you them in the sleeve, and it's hard with that plasticky cover, I think, to see them. So just gonna pull it out here. I have a little sticker that says thank you so much. Little Copacetic kitty sticker. Business card. This brand is out of Missouri. If you're curious, I do believe that they have a physical location now. Yeah, in Missouri, in Edina. I hope I'm saying that right. So, yeah, we have, looks like all singles in this bag here. I love this like iridescent cellophane. That's just really pretty and pleasing to look at. I don't know if the iridescence is showing up on camera, but I like that a lot. And if there's any shades in here that I'm like, I probably won't get any use out of that, then I will put them aside for my next giveaway, which I am only 4 subscribers away from, guys. So if you're already subscribed, make sure you stay tuned, share it with your friends and family so we can get there a bit quicker. And yeah, we'll have a really nice giveaway. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 looks like shadows here for, I don't know what it was after tax. I think maybe like 28, something like that. I say tax, but I think shipping is the word I'm looking for. So the first shade we've got here is Breach. And this one is a metallic blue. This might be one I put in the giveaway, honestly. I know I said I would take them out of the sleeves, but I think I'll keep this one in because I've been incorporating blue more, especially with the color of my hair here, but it's just still not my #1 shade. So if there's somebody else that can, you know, enjoy it, get good use out of it, I might do that instead. This one is called Witching Hour, and this one looks to be almost like a pressed flaky in a way. Ooh, that's really pretty. I just swatched a little on my finger from the inside of the case. I kind of want to put it over top of my highlighter. Oh yes, that's really pretty. It's a very light, kind of like yellowy gold shade, but it is more of a textured, like flaky formula. Here, I'll show it to you in the pan. That's really pretty. Just do a little more on the finger here. It's kind of like crumbly flaky, so I'm trying not to make too much of a mess, but that's, ooh, I like that a lot. I love this sort of thing as highlighters or like a little topper over the lips. Oh, this would be so pretty on the lips. Okay, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna save it. We're only 2 shades in, I'm getting too excited. Okay, so that one was, like I said, Witching Hour. Really, really pretty shade. Next up we have Good Luck, which is kind of like this iridescent light green. I really like this sort of color for inner corners. I have a little bit of an iridescent pink right now in the inner corner, but there's the green. Let me just tap a little over the lips just to show you how you can kind of do these over lips. Can't see this one a ton. The flaky might have been better for the lips, but it gives you a totally different vibe. I don't know if you can really tell on the lips, but makes it more metallic, gives it a little bit of a different, like, it's not even a different undertone, it just, you know, truly is a topper that you can use on the lips as well. I like that one a lot. Good luck. Ooh, iridescent. Okay, so I'm gonna organize them by like flaky versus matte versus iridescent, like the kinds of different types in here in my little magnetic palette as well. Ooh, I don't think I have anything like this. This one's called Tornado Watch, and it looks, I think I want to call this one satin because it doesn't look shimmery like metallic, but it's definitely a gray that doesn't quite look matte either. That's a nice name for this shade, Tornado Watch. So it's like a nice satin gray. I love pairing grays with pastels. I first realized that from the Nomad Cosmetics Tokyo, like the Harajuku palette, because they have some different grays in with the pastels. I love doing that. So I could definitely see doing like a lighter color. Like I have the Kaleidos, what is this called? Lunar Lavender on my eyes today, and I have purple, and then I did brown just because that's what's in the palette. But I could definitely see myself doing like purple with some gray on the outer corner or in the crease or something like that, and that being really, really nice. I love the contrast of gray with a pastel. Okay, this one's called Reverence, and I think this might be the limited edition one. It's kind of like a mauvey purpley silver. I have something that I think looks really similar to this from Medusa's makeup, so I think Reverence is probably going to go in the giveaway as well for you guys. I think for Memorial Day she wanted to put kind of like a spin-off on a blue and a red and things like that, but I'm going to keep this more plummy one called Howling Winds. I'll take that one out and show you. It is also red, but it's more of like a plum berry red. And this also just looks, I don't know if it's a shimmer or a satin. It's so hard to tell. But this also looks like it could be shifty. Oh, yes. Okay, so do you see the red there? And then when it's straight on, it's like, is it blue? Purple? What does it look like to you guys? So this is definitely a shifty shadow indeed. Oh, a little green even maybe there. Oh, so cool. So Howling Winds is the name of this one. This looks like a very deep, maybe a black based multi-chrome. So cool. I don't really know where I can, you know what I'm gonna do? Maybe I'll take a little bit on a brush here and see if I can put it on my wing. Will it show up or not really? I was trying to like do a little liner moment with it because I thought that could look kind of cool with this, but it's not really showing up on top of the brown that I already have laid down too well. Yeah, I can't really see it. I'll have to play with that another day. Let me know if you guys would like to see a swatch party video. I haven't done one of those in a hot minute, a swatch party with all of these. Or even a look together with them. I can definitely do that if there is interest. I have two more. The next one is Claire's Dream. I'm pretty sure that this is a double. I got two mystery boxes and the other one is from Pretties for Your Face, and it must be Pretties for Your Face that did this because I know one brand specifically said that they would look back at all of your orders you had ever placed from the entire brand and would not give you anything in the mystery box that you had purchased from the actual brand before. And I'm pretty darn sure that I have Claire's Dream. So it must have been Pretties for Your Face that said they would do that and not Copacetic Cosmetics. And that box I'll be filming with as soon as I get it. So I will double check in my other Z palette, but I'm pretty sure I have Claire's Dream, and I'm pretty sure I love it because it's this like pinky flaky color with like pinky silver. Oh, it's so, so pretty. But if I have this as a double, I will put that as well in the giveaway so that you guys can get 3 single shadows as part of that next giveaway. And the last shadow is a sparkly metallic called Evocation. Evocation. I feel like I should know this word, but I don't know how to pronounce it. But it's this really pretty sparkly orange. It's almost a little peachy gold orange. Interesting. That would be really, like, shades like this, I love to put a little bit of glitter primer and just pop on the lid, and they just are so super sparkly. So that means there will be 5 shades I'm keeping and 3 shades for you guys in the giveaway. Yeah, so I don't know, was this worth $25 plus tax, shipping, you know, whatever? What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know if it was worth it or not. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm happy with the shades I'm keeping, and I'm not mad at it. I've been trying to be kind of on more of a low buy, slow my roll type thing. So this was something fun to me that was not super expensive to do. And you know, it only added 5 shadows to my collection. I kind of think this is a cool color combo, actually. Here's all the 5 over here that I just added. That's kind of cool to have, like, peach, silver, gold, green, gray, like burgundy multi-chrome. That could be a fun little color story. And then again, here are the 3 blue, tealy, the kind of like deeper purpley mauve, and the silver pink flaky ones. Those 3 are gonna go in the giveaway for you guys. So yeah, guys, just a quick little short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, so I know you like it, and I know you want me to film more videos like this. Like I said, I've got the pretties for your face mystery box on the way as well. And yeah, again, let me know if you want to do a swatch party, if you'd like to see kind of like my collection of single shadows. I actually have quite a few now. I would say I have maybe this one and 2 or 3 other smaller Z palettes, so I would be happy to film that if there's interest. But without yammering on forever, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!